audience. If you left out, where's the audience? And there, where's the audience? And there.
And if you sneeze, bless you to you. Well, the video.
Wait, that's the end, okay? Come on. Let's do this,
Okay,
though.
every card is different, right?
Yeah, I know.
Okay, let's get on. Okay. Say when to stop. Stop. So I have a bunch of cards.
See the audience? Can you please see the audience? Audience cannot really see. Yeah. You see that card? It's done. No, it's not done.
Done.
No. It's not done. See? It's not done.
Okay.
Hey, see the audience. See the... What's there? What's there?
Okay. And put it onto here.
Whoa, it's in the middle?
Yeah, it's in the middle. So it's not on the top, right?
Yeah. Can I see?
It's not on the top, right?
Yep.
And I put it into the middle. And it's not on the bottom.
Not really.
It is no way on the bottom.
Yeah, no.
So pop it into the middle, where your card is. Now let's go onto a table.
No, just in the floor. On the floor in here. In here. On the floor in here.
Can I do it after two then? Okay. I'll drop the card, then your card will pop out. Hey, I need to do that again.
Just make a mistake and just for audience. Okay, come on.
I have to choose between these cards. Well, I'm going to do it again. I made a mistake again.
Okay, let's make a mistake again.
He deleted it.
No.
Sorry. Hey! Is this your card? Yes.
Yes. Thank you for watching. All the audience, this is the magician.
Can I try?
Evan!
I'll show you how to do it. Can I do it too then? No, I have to do it. Okay.
Hey, don't
Here's
try.
my audience, okay? Okay, tell them when to stop. Stop. Okay, they can stop anywhere you want.
Then
And then hold this. And then
I pick that card.
This is when they get distracted. You have a whole pile. Then they show the audience. Then you just pop it down. And then take only one card. Then bend it and then face it to the audience. You don't want to do this. Then they'll see it's one card. If you already noticed that on the first video, on the routine, you're a very smart guy, okay?
Like my father.
Okay.
We did a YouTube video.
And then he's looking, okay? And then he puts it on top. And then you slam it down as if it's if there's a pile like the.
But it actually isn't
Now-
in the box.
Now it isn't in the middle, it's actually second. So you say, it's not on the top, right?
Yep.
And you put it in the middle. So now it's first. And then you say, it's not on the bottom.
No.
So you put it in the middle. Huh? Come on. And then it's on the top, right?
Yep.
Okay, now, this is the card, right?
Yup. Yeah. See the audience?
And okay, the card is on the top, right? And then you cover it like this, and then it has to be halfway like that. And then you do it like inches away, and then it just pops out. Yes, that's the card.
Yup. And then can you record me for the end?
And
Can you record me?
No, can you subscribe?
Record me for the end. Bye bye. Subscribe.
And
Subscribe.
And if you
Thank you for watching.
I forgot to mention, if you sneeze during the video, bless you.
No. If you see the video, bless you. Peace out.